Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an important topic that affects every woman at some stage of life, menopause. For some, it can feel overwhelming. For others, confusing. But the more we talk about it, the easier it gets. Before we begin, a quick note. I'm not a doctor. This video is for information and awareness only. Always consult your healthcare provider for personal medical advice. Now, let's get into it. Menopause is a natural biological stage that marks the end of menstrual cycles. Officially, it's when you've gone 12 months without a period. Most women experience menopause between ages 45 and 55, with the average being around 51. But here's something many don't realize. There are 3 stages. 1. Perimenopause, the transition period before menopause, when symptoms begins. 2. Menopause, the actual point when periods have stopped for a year. 3. Postmenopause, the years after menopause, when symptoms may continue but gradually ease. Every woman's experience is unique, but here are the most common symptoms: hot flashes and night sweats, trouble sleeping or staying asleep, mood swings, irritability, or anxiety, vaginal dryness and lower libido, memory lapses or what some call brain fog, slower metabolism, weight changes, and changes in skin or hair. Some women experience only a few of these, while others feel almost all of them. Remember, your experience is valid. Menopause is more than just symptoms. It can also affect long-term health. With lower estrogen levels, the risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures increases. Heart and blood vessel health can also be impacted, raising the risk of cardiovascular disease. And changes in skin elasticity, joint comfort, and even dental health are also common. This is why regular checkups with your doctor become especially important during and after menopause. The good news is there are many ways to manage menopause. Lifestyle choices can make a huge difference. Eat a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D. Exercise regularly to protect your bones and heart. Stay hydrated and reduce caffeine or alcohol if hot flashes bother you. Practice stress management. Yoga, meditation, or simple breathing exercises can help. Medical options include hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, which can relieve many symptoms. There are also non-hormonal treatments available. Always talk to your doctor about what's right for you. Some women also find relief with natural remedies and supplements, though these should be used carefully and with medical guidance. And never underestimate the power of support networks. Talking to friends, joining a community, or even sharing experiences online can make this journey less isolating. Menopause has been a taboo subject for far too long, but here's the truth. It's not the end of vitality or womanhood. It's simply the start of a new chapter. By talking openly, we help break the silence and empower more women to feel confident and supported during this stage of life. To recap, menopause is a natural transition marked by changes in the body, mind, and health. While the symptoms can feel challenging, there are ways to manage them and thrive through this phase of life. I'd love to hear from you. What has been your experience with menopause or perimenopause? Share in the comments below. Your story could help someone else feel less alone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're not alone in this journey.